Hello guys, welcome back to the masterclass. This channel is dedicated to the learning of BSc Nursing students of India. Teaching here is based on Indian Nursing Council revised syllabus and according to the question and evaluation pattern of many universities of India. So guys, we are discussing and we are continuing our exercise with important essay type questions of applied microbiology. I am also explaining the possible short, very short and multiple choice questions within a particular essay type question. If you are watching this video for the first time, you must refer to the previous videos for more questions and answer. So guys, let's come back to our session, and once again I will suggest that if you are watching this video on a mobile phone, you must watch on a full screen so that you can see easily the writings here and prepare your notes easily. So the question is, the essay type question is, describe the structure and classification of microbes. The broad spectrum microbes will be taken into account. So as I have already said earlier, for the essay questions, you have to start with the introduction. So here, the introduction will be microorganisms or microbes are minute living organisms that cannot be seen in naked eye and require a microscope for visualization. They are widely distributed in nature and play important role in health, disease, industry and environmental processes. The major group of microbes include bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and algae. So, let us start with the structure of bacteria. Bacteria are unicellular prokaryotic organisms, and their structure includes, make the bullet points there. Cell wall provides shape and protection. It is made of peptidoglycan. Cell membrane controls movement of substances into and out of the cell. Cytoplasm contains enzymes, nutrients and cellular components. Nucleoid contains a single circular DNA molecule without a nuclear membrane. So guys, structure of bacteria is continuing. Next is ribosomes, sites of protein synthesis, capsule, an outer protective layer present in some bacteria, flagella, hair-like structure responsible for motility, pili or fimbriae help in attachment and genetic transfer, spores, dormant structures formed by some bacteria for survival under adverse conditions. Guys, note one thing, since the question is about structure of microorganisms, so you have to give at least one labeled diagram and preferably the bacteria. So give a labeled diagram here, but for other microbes, only shape diagram will be enough. So next, viruses. Viruses are acellular infectious agents that can multiply only inside living host cells. Their structure consists of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. This determines their type, capsid, protein coat surrounding the nucleic acid, envelope, lipoprotein covering present in some viruses, and surface spikes help in attachment to host cells. Then give a diagram of virus. So next, the structure of fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms and are unicellular or multicellular. Cell wall made of chitin, cell membrane contains ergosterol, nucleus is well defined and membrane bound. Hyphae, thread-like filaments forming the body of fungi. Mycelium, mass of hyphae, and spores are reproductive structures. Then give a diagram of a fungus including spores. So next, protozoa. Protozoa are unicellular eukaryotic microorganisms. They have a true nucleus and cytoplasm. They have locomotory, means for movement, locomotory organelles such as pseudopodia, flagella or cilia. Some protozoa form cysts for survival in unfavorable conditions. Then give a diagram of protozoa. Next, algae. Algae are photosynthetic eukaryotic microorganisms. They contain chlorophyll and other pigments, means colors. Have a cell wall and nucleus. They are unicellular or multicellular. Produce oxygen through photosynthesis. Give a diagram of algae, and remember, here you will find the shape of chloroplast, and the pigments called chlorophyll are present inside the chloroplast. So guys, after structure, next comes classification of microbes. Give a broad heading. Remember, in this particular question, you have to give the broad classifications. So start with the bacteria, unicellular prokaryotic microorganisms classified according to shape such as bullet points, cocci spherical, bacilli rod-shaped, vibrioch comma-shaped, spirilla or spirochetes spiral-shaped. Next, viruses, they are acellular organisms and they are classified according to bullet point again, type of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA viruses, presence or absence of envelope, and shape and symmetry. So in classification, next is fungi. They are eukaryotic microorganisms classified into yeasts, which are unicellular, molds, they are multicellular, and filamentous fungi. And the next category is dimorphic fungi. They exist either as yeast or mold depending on conditions. Then after that, it comes protozoa. Protozoa are unicellular eukaryotes. They are classified according to the locomotion, means through which they move. Amoeba, they move through pseudopodia, flagellates through flagella, ciliates through cilia, and sporozoa, they are non-motile. So guys, in classification, the last is algae. They are photosynthetic microorganisms classified based on pigments and morphology into green, brown, and red algae. So this is all about the classification. So now guys, we came to the conclusion of the answer. As I already told you earlier, in essay type questions, in the beginning you have to give the introduction. Similarly, at the end of the answer, you have to give the conclusion. So give a broad heading. So the conclusion in this case will be microbes are diverse microscopic organisms that differ in structure, cellular organization, and mode of reproduction. Understanding their structure and classification is essential for studying microbial diseases, infection control, diagnosis, and treatment, making it a fundamental concept in nursing microbiology. So this is all about the answer of the essay type question. So guys, if you like the video, give a thumbs up here. Please drop your comments and feedback on the video and how do you feel about the classes here. And those who have not subscribed, please subscribe, and all of you share with others. So guys, stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself.